Increased funding for long-term flood mitigation projects in New South Wales will be a high priority for the federal government. That's according to the Emergency Management Minister Murray Watt. Mr Watt claims the federal government aims to change the rules around a $4 billion natural disaster fund. The Albanese government reportedly planned to provide $200 million every year for resilience and prevention projects in an effort to aid flood-ravaged communities. The minister has also confirmed the federal government's interest in the raising of the Warragamba Dam wall. Even if the dam project doesn't go ahead, Mr Watt has advised the government is committed to flood prevention infrastructure in the Hawkesbury Nepean.